In today's video, we're going to talk about the 4 things that you should be aware about when you're ready to purchase a home and you're out shopping, looking. Think about resale value when buying your next home. This is something you should think about because in the future, you're probably most likely 90% wise going to resell. Determining the resale value, that's something to think about in the future. When to buy, where to buy, how to buy. In today's video, I'm going to talk about those and explain those ideas that will help you remove stress from your transaction when you're purchasing your next home. The current housing market in Bakersfield is definitely shifting. We're all feeling it. It's actually shifting more and more every day to a buyer's market. It's not a huge shift, like it's not going to shift overnight, but it's actually shifting more towards a buyer's market very, very slowly. When the market shifts to a buyer's market, of course, that's going to affect the value of your home because your home, if you're selling it, is only going to be worth the current market value and what buyers are willing to pay for it. Hey guys, Raymond, Beasley, United Real Estate is here today to help educate buyers and sellers to remove stress from your transaction. And I'm going to provide these 4 tips for you. First of all, you're going to think about location, but size, condition, school district, current home values, all comparable properties are all variable factors. What I want you to do is think about resale when you're ready to purchase. That's right, already thinking about resale when purchasing, that is confusing. I understand it's confusing, but it's going to help you be successful in the future when you get ready to sell. And that's going to affect the pocketbook. And it's also going to bring, hopefully, more money and value, and that's current equity into the home when you sell it. So choosing the location is very important. And is that close to work, close to schools, shopping, access to freeways, amenities? Those are all things to think about when purchasing your next home because that's also going to affect the resale value. Size, condition are all factors as well when reselling, specifically the age of the home when you're doing any updates or has it not had updates. If it has had updates, you want to make sure that those updates bring value to the home. If you're liking this video, make sure you stay to the end because I'm going to share with you how to avoid mistakes when buying an older home. You always want to keep in mind high return on your investment when doing renovations. Projects to make the home, renovating kitchens, bathrooms, putting high-end appliances in, things like that. But you really don't want to overdo it and you don't want to sink so much money into it that you're actually in a negative equity when it is time to sell. You want to keep your budget, make sure that you stick to the plan and you don't overestimate the value of your home. School districts and purchasing a home in top-rated school districts sometimes can be confusing and it can be frustrating. So make sure you do your homework, do your research, because you're going to want to check out test scores. You're going to want to drive to the location, maybe visit the schools to determine if this school fits your family and am I going to purchase in this area with this school district? If so, make sure that you check out the school first. 25 to 53% or higher of buyers consider top-rated schools when buying their home and choosing the location. When it comes time to sell, 25 to 53% of homes that are in great school districts are going to bring you more money on a resale. Market value, current markets, and comparable properties are all factors in determining on what your home is worth. Current markets, resale values, what is your home worth? There's a lot of tools out there that can actually go online, Check the value of your home. Are they accurate? Are they not? A lot of people say that they're not so accurate because they really don't have an actual exact timeline on the market. Hire a professional appraisal. If you're consulting with a realtor, have your realtor pull comps, check the current market values and comparable properties. That's called a CMA report. If you're getting valuable information out of this video, click the link below, subscribe to my channel, check out my next video. We post weekly videos and you'll be notified when we post a new video. Hey, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment below, and I will see you on the next one.